Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.5 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. So first open any web browser, then go to postgresql.org. Then click on see here at the time of installation the latest release is PostgreSQL 17.5. Click on download, then select Linux, then select Ubuntu. See here PostgreSQL apt repository supports current versions of Ubuntu. See here it supports 22.04. I am on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, so now we have to run these commands one by one. So copy this one, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, CS certificates is already installed, so it is going to install curl. Hit enter. Next, import the signing key. So to import we have to run these two commands. Paste it, hit enter, Ctrl A. Now import, copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now create the configuration file. So copy from this dot to up to this second line, end of the statement. Okay, so paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you don't give the version, it will install the latest one. If you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install 15, give 15. So I want to install latest version. So hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. So we have successfully installed, and these are the default values set like max connection, shared buffer, time zone, and etc. Okay, now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is started and it is enabled. Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server, but see, this is not the PostgreSQL server version. It is the PSQL client version. So verify, select version. See, this is the version of the PostgreSQL server. Okay, Q to quit. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is you have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So verify the list of the users /du or see, we have only one user, or you can get the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, this is the user. Okay, now set the password for this account. Alter user Postgres with password, then in singular double quotes we have to provide the password. See, the alter rule means we have successfully set. Now Ctrl L, verify list of databases /l or Q to quit. These are the default databases. Select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Let us create a table in this database. So to create database in this newly created database, we have to switch to that database by using /c or connect. Then we have to provide the name of the database to switch. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Okay, now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables, so let us create a table. Create table. Now verify. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table, type of the object, and owner is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control L. Now we will create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay, see here, this David8123 is the password. Okay, now we will connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. So to exit from the PostgreSQL session, we have to give \q, then PSQL-H means host name. PostgreSQL is installed on this PC, so localhost, or you can give the host name of this PC, this machine. Okay, -u means username. U must be caps. Then username is David -d. D means database Postgres. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this David user. Hit enter. See, this is the password. Okay. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify whether we have connected with the David user or not. Select current underscore database. Sorry, user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with this David user. Now try to access database. Now run the query against table customer. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, so do to quit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu 22.04. So we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Now sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is stopped 4 seconds ago. We took it. We can also verify the status of the PostgreSQL server by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. As I told you, you can't start with Postgres user. So exit from this user. Control L. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are able to connect. Okay, Q to quit. Exit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. We have restarted. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Q to quit. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools pgadmin or dbviewer. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbviewer on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, if you want to download pgadmin, go to pgadmin official website, that is pgadmin.org. Then we have to click on download. Then we have to select apt. Then scroll down. See, here we have the list of the commands. The other tool is dbviewer.io. See, here we have the dbviewer community. You can download this community edition for free. Then you have to download this Debian package. Okay. These are the two most popular tools. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.5 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.